The assigned field technician receives a push notification with the new booking and reviews the details of the work order. The customer receives an alert that the technician is en route. After arriving on site for the service, the field technician can get step-by-step instructions in Dynamics 365 to ensure the fix is performed with maximum quality. Using state-of-the-art mixed reality remote assist in Microsoft HoloLens, the technician can even initiate a video call with a remote expert to gain additional live support with real-time context. With the upcoming guides functionality, field service organizations can increase process efficiency with real-world instructions available on HoloLens. When the repair is complete, the customer signs the technician's touchscreen, receives an auto notification that the case has been resolved, and gets back to business as usual. Dynamics 365 for Field Service helps empower your organization to deliver real value to customers, reducing downtime, maximizing quality of service.